We started with the video. Hey YouTube, and welcome back. And I still have another fidget spinner video. My last video, that this fidget spinner right here won against his fidget spinner. So now we're gonna try a new fidget spinner, and this fidget spinner. The other fidget spinner. And we have another fidget spinner.
I got two right here, but I'm gonna use the blue.
So now the blue one might be a little bit faster and probably go a little bit longer, but let's try it this time. Ready, set, go.
No, man, I'm trying to judge my little cousin. Bye, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Here goes the birthday princess! I'll give you the birthday princess. I'll give you the birthday princess. Give you the birthday
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74.
You really said a 3. You really said a 3. You don't count it.
Now it's my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I was cheating.
51, 52, 53.
That dude was cheating, bro. So we know which one was winning. So you got that video. See, his goes faster in motion.
Told you it. 8.
See, because his go faster in speed. In speed, mine loses. In speed, his win. But in time, mine's win.
I have more than Austin. I have more money than Austin. I got more money than Austin with just shoot on my head.
See, mine's like, it's not fast enough, but it goes longer. So we'll end this video with that. And that's all now. We'll have a next one.